on my way to a local car show in my 57 Cameo. I just got my Cameo in from California. It has 44,000 original miles, and it's quite the truck. Come along with me on my maiden voyage. She drives super nice. It has overdrive, very rare option, and even rarer than the overdrive, it's got power steering. Actually, I've never heard of, certainly have never even seen pickup truck of this vintage with power steering, but this came from the factory that way. Quite amazing. One owner for its entire life until 2 years ago, and it's the kind of truck you like to find. Never been touched, never altered, just a pristine survivor. We're going down the road here at 55 miles per hour with overdrive, and she's just walking down the interstate. I'm very taken with this truck. Very cool. Well, we're almost to the car show. We're in Westlake, Texas, my backyard. Convenient show to come to. Looks like they have a lot of nice, cool cars here. Turning in. Yeah. Very cool. Most original, best of show trophy. So, wow, what a serendipity. The thing won a trophy. Show you the truck. I guess you'd probably like to see that since you're watching this video. Not bad for original paint. Fortunately, it has radials on it, which of course weren't available in 57, but it makes a big difference for 2011 driving. Paint from 15 feet, 10 feet, looks fabulous. Of course, it has some patina and shows its age. Some checking, of course, because it's original paint. Some patina here and there. Even the old wood looks pretty doggone good for untouched wood. Let me show you the interior. Not bad. Pretty well preserved. Well, great car show. Glad you were able to come along. Join me again for more car shows in the local area. I make as many as I can. Well, I'm heading home now, and that was pretty cool to win the Best of Show and Restored class, and people really loved this vehicle. I had a lot of former Cameo owners, in fact, looking at it, and you know, some guys trying to buy it, of course, and you know, that's real rewarding actually to go to a car show, your first car show on your maiden voyage in your car and win Best of Show, and it did, and it deserves it. It is that kind of vehicle. Anyway, I hope you're enjoying your classic car as much as I'm enjoying my classic car, and enjoy life, live your passion.